Hi, it's Angela from Really Good Stuff. Happy Monday. Here we are again to show you some tips and tricks, things you can do. I was going to say in your classroom, but probably in your living room, office, or dining room, as so many teachers across the country are virtual teaching. So tonight we're going to talk about magnets. Now, magnets, especially during virtual teaching, can be your best friend. They're so easy to manipulate, move around, and you don't have to keep rewriting things. But first, since this worked so well last time, we're going to play a game. So what I have right here is I have our magnetic alphabet tiles, and I have them arranged sort of like we had last week. So I want you to comment below any 2, 3, or 4 letter words you see. Comment as many times as you want, and we will randomly select someone to win a surprise gift. So, while you guys are typing out these words that you're finding, I'm going to tell you about our EZpay program. So, I don't know how many of you know this, but when you go to your cart, when you're about to check out, you can select EZpay. Now, what this does is for no fees and no interest, it breaks up your purchase into 3 monthly installments. So that's a great way to get the things you need now for virtual teaching. So if you haven't tried it, it's a great tool. And like I said, it doesn't cost you a thing. So I'm going to give you a few more seconds here to write some words. Remember, 2, 3, and 4 letter words. The other thing I want to tell you about is if you haven't checked out our free resources yet, I think there's over 500 free resources on our website. Just simply go to the main page and scroll down a little bit and you'll see free resources. You'll also see a link to our blog. Now, personally, if I was you, I would download every single one of those free resources because you never know when you're going to need them. Even if you're not teaching it now, you may teach it in the future. You also never know when you're going to have to change grade levels. I think some things are going to be different in the fall, and some of you may be looping, some of you may be changing grade levels. Who knows? It's up in the air still. All right, so that's it for this. So like I said, these are great. These are magnetic alphabet tiles. You can arrange them to do your morning message. The vowels come in red as well as in blue. Another product I want to show you here. Let me make sure I get the name of this right. This is the EZread Magnetic Word Building Mat. So it comes with these tiles. So you get a whole bag of these tiles. But you'll see there's enough space on here for one of every letter. So underneath every one of these, you'll see the letter. This is great for those brand new kiddos learning their alphabet. They can match up the letters. This is also good for your students to spell sight words or your children. So they're really easy. So let's just say we're going to spell how. So we can just move it down into this area right here. The other thing is with our magnetic mats like these, they are all dry erase. So you can write a sentence with an opening like, I don't know, to tie my shoes, and have the children find the word that should go there. The other thing that's great is the back of this is completely empty with just a border. So you can use this to write messages to your kids, write messages to your students to use online. These are great. So we have so many magnets on our website. We have magnet sheets, magnetic games, we have plastic letters, foam letters, letter tiles, everything you could possibly need. So I want to show you one of my favorite things that came out this year that's magnetic. This is our magnetic 100 grid activity. The best thing about this is you get 6 boards and 6 manipulators. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the board. You can see these boards are really thin, but they're magnetic. The front is your basic 100 grid. I think Gur wants to be in our video again. You hear him crying. And the back is 100 grid with part of the numbers, I almost said letters, numbers missing. Now you get 6 of these, like I said. This is also laminated, so you can write on this with a dry erase marker. And then here's your manipulator. I've seen some of you try to make these out of paper. This one is awesome. So let me just put it down right here. So you can see you're going to use this for math. What's 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less. So you can manipulate this all around the board. The great thing is you can use it now for virtual teaching, and then when you get back in the room, you have 6, enough for a small group. So you can also do it on the back and right here. So I have 54. So then the students can take a dry erase marker and fill in on this one. Isn't that great? Tons of math and ELA products that are magnetic. So some of you, I know, had to leave your classrooms quickly and you didn't have a dry erase board or an easel to take home, especially a magnetic one. So let me slide these over here a little bit. This is our large magnetic whiteboard. This is great for you to use for virtual teaching. So, you know what? Let me give one of these away. If you're in need of something magnetic because you don't have anything at home, or because you're having to use your refrigerator, which is not a bad idea to use your refrigerator. Like I said, we've seen people using their shower walls as a dry erase. So these are magnetic, but they're also dry erase. So if you need one of these, comment below, I need that magnetic whiteboard, and we will randomly select someone to get one of these today. Make sure that you check the bit.ly link above. It is a link to all our magnetic products. If you've been on Instagram and stuff, I don't know if Cindy's watching. Cindy is in love with our new magnetic spinner and our magnetic easel. There's so many things that we can provide for you to help. Is somebody back here? All right, yeah. My daughter was staring at me like, what is going on? So the cat is determined to be in the videos this past couple times. I'm not sure why. Anyway, comment below. The other thing is, let us know, what's going well, what's not going well. Is there anything we can help you with? We have tons of blogs up for you, to read through, maybe give you some more ideas. And we also have on our homepage, if you scroll through the top, they're called Heroes, which I didn't know before I started working at Really Good Stuff. If you scroll through the top, we're having a Teacher Appreciation Week contest where we're giving away $25, $50 gift cards. So definitely check that out and thank a teacher. I want to thank all the teachers that I learned from, that I had in school, and that encouraged me to be a teacher. So on Wednesday, Nicole will have another STEM lesson for you. And then again, we'll be back Friday to give you some more tips and tricks and to talk about some more products. So until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.